Welcome to today's guide on how to see when you received a voice message on Instagram chat using your PC, especially with the new update. Let's dive into the simple steps that will help you keep track of your voice messages effortlessly. First, open Instagram on your preferred web browser. Make sure you're logged into your account to access all your messages seamlessly. Once you're in, look for the messages icon located on the left menu of the screen. This icon resembles an envelope or speech bubble and is your gateway to all direct messages. Next, click on the Messages icon. This action will open up your direct messaging interface, where you can view all your conversations. Scroll through your chats to find the specific conversation that contains the voice message you want to check. After locating the chat, open it by clicking on it. This will display the entire conversation history with that user. Now, take a moment to find the received voice message within the chat. It should appear as a small audio waveform or play button, indicating that it's a voice message. Once you've found the voice message, look for the three dots next to it. Clicking on these dots will reveal additional options related to that specific message. This is an important step because it allows you to access more details about when the message was sent. Finally, when you click on the three dots, a drop-down menu will appear. Here, you will see the exact time when the voice message was received. This feature is particularly useful if you're managing multiple conversations and need to keep track of important voice notes. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily see when you received a voice message on Instagram chat from your PC. Stay organized and never miss out on important communications again. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check back for more helpful tips and updates.